So good afternoon everyone. I am Swati Poddar, your spoken English trainer. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So what's the topic we are going to cover today? We'll learn the use of prepositions in English sentences, in English conversation sentences. Do you know what are prepositions? Can you give me some examples? Unmute yourself.
Come in, on, behind, beside, with, who, and many others.
Okay. Let me know if you are able to see my screen, because last time nobody told me that you are not able to see my screen. I was sharing the screen. Can you please show me your thumbs up if you are able to see it? Can you see my screen? The presentation, can you see? Okay. Switch on your videos, guys. Fast. Switch on your videos. Okay, so let's begin. So we'll study few prepositions and their examples today in our class. For example, we'll start with about. They have a discussion about football. About. If you're saying about, they are having a discussion about football. Then above. A plane is flying above the village. Yes?
When we are not able to see the PPT.
You are not able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll share again. 1 minute. Is it visible now? I hope it's visible now, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll begin again. Above is a plane is flying above the village. Above means upar, upar. Abroad. Mary went abroad. Abroad means bahar. According to my family, I am a clever student. According to मतलब किसी और के नजरिए से, उनके नजरिए से मैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट हूँ. Across means पार करना. You can swim across the river. You can swim across the river. After. I slept after I arrived my house. Okay? मैं घर वापस आके तब सोया. Against. This company is against the bankruptcy. ये against means किसी के खिलाफ. Ago. She came back school a while ago. ये वापस आई है स्कूल कुछ टाइम पहले. Ago means थोड़ा टाइम पहले. Ahead of. We are ahead of our work schedule. Ahead of means टाइम से पहले. Okay? Mute yourself, girls and guys. जिसका भी अनम्यूट हुआ है प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए जिससे कि औरों को डिस्टरबेंस नहीं हो. ओके? Unmute otherwise. And switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. Then amongst. She is a girl amongst women. Amongst means सबके बीच में. सबके बीच में. Apart. Apart from the football, he plays basketball and tennis. Apart means इस चीज के अलावा. Apart from this. Apart from this, I also do this. इस तरह से एक एग्जाम्पल आप लोग दे सकते हैं. Around. Around is he left around 6:40. Around means उसके आसपास. Not exactly 6:40, but around. Then as well as. My son plays the piano as well as he plays football. As well as means साथ में. पियानो और बास्केटबॉल दोनों खेलता है. Okay? Then away. Put your laptop away. Away means हटाना. यहाँ से अपना लैपटॉप हटाओ. Because of. She was late because of missing the train. Because of means किसी कारण से. ये बहुत ऐसे कॉमन सेंटेंसेस है जो हम लोग अपने डेली कन्वर्सेशन में यूज कर सकते हैं. और इनमें prepositions का यूज हम लोग जनरली आता हम लोग को सबको है, लेकिन उनको हम प्रॉपरली कहाँ यूज करें ये चीज हम लोग यहाँ डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. ओके? बिफोर. C goes before D in alphabet. Before आपको मतलब पता ही है पहले. Okay, and behind is the shaker is behind the glass. Behind means पीछे. Then below, it is 20 degrees below zero. Below means नीचे, नीचे. The book is under the table. Under means नीचे भी, under का means भी नीचे होता है. But according to the sentence हम लोग अलग-अलग prepositions use करते हैं. Okay? Beneath. Alex is sitting beneath the pine tree. Beneath means भी नीचे होता है, but below नहीं बोलेंगे हम इसमें. यहाँ पे हम बोलेंगे beneath the pine tree. Alex जो है ट्री के नीचे बैठा है. Beside. My brother sat down beside me. Beside means side में. Okay? Beside. Then between. My home is between library and bank. Library and bank. One second. Then by. I always goes to work by train. By means through. किस चीज के साथ हम जाते हैं. Then down. Calm down my friend. Calm down means मत इतना गुस्सा करो. Be relaxed. Except nobody came the party except George and Alex. कोई भी नहीं आया उस पार्टी में except two of them. From. Where are you from? तुम कहाँ से हो? Hence. In accordance with the doctor, she is very sick. In accordance with means doctor के हिसाब से. Okay? Then in addition to his car, he has a jeep. In addition to means साथ में. एक कार है और एक जीप भी है साथ में. Then prepositions of time. We are doing prepositions जो होती हैं 3 different types की होती हैं. So first we are doing with prepositions of time. At means specific time हो गया हमारा. I get up at 7 o'clock. I get up at 5 o'clock. This is specific. Okay? The movie starts at 8:30. This is also very specific. This movie will start at 8:30. They sing carols at Christmas. वो लोग कैरल्स गाते हैं क्रिसमस पे. Come and visit us at Thanksgiving. उस दिन Thanksgiving, दिवाली, any festival. Come and visit us at दिवाली. कोई भी एक हम एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं. Then on. I will visit you on Wednesday. On means उस दिन. On हम dates के लिए भी यूज करते हैं and days के लिए भी. Where were you on Friday? तुम फ्राइडे को कहाँ थे? His birthday is on 27th March. 27th March को उसका बर्थडे है. Next 6P. Please rename yourself and switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Rename yourself. Smriti, Akansha and Payal, switch on your cameras. The exam is on the 16th. 16th को ही एग्जाम है. Then in हम यूज करते हैं months और years में. My birthday is in January. मेरा बर्थडे जनवरी में है. I am going on vacation in August. August में I am going for vacations. Shakespeare was born in 1564. ये सब fixed है. इसमें dates में हम change नहीं कर रहे हैं. So this is use of in. The Titanic sank in 1912. Then in with the decade. Life was difficult in the 1940s. एक ये टाइम हम लोग पुराने टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं, उसमें हम बता रहे हैं. Life was difficult in the 1940s. There were many hippies in the 60s. Okay? We are living in the 21st century. It was built in the 16th century. So this is decade. पुरानी टाइम की बात है. Century और decade. Century is 100 years. Decade is 10 years. Then season. In use of in season. We go to the beach in summer. We don't go to beaches in winters. We go to the beach in summers. There are many flowers in spring. Spring season जब आता है तो there are many flowers. The meeting starts in 10 minutes. She will be here in 3 hours. So this is time. All related to time period. 3 घंटे के अंदर. एक हमने किया था at 7 o'clock फिक्स टाइम था. दिस इज यूज ऑफ इन टाइम पीरियड. 3 घंटे के ड्यूरेशन में वो यहाँ आ जाएगी. एंड शी वॉज देयर एट 7 o'clock. वो 7 o'clock पे वहां थी. ओके, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. Anjali, please mute yourself. Then prepositions of time. Again, we are just repeating it. At, in and on. At is used for precise times. अभी हम लोगों ने जैसे किया था. At 10:30 a.m. At 8 o'clock. At bedtime. At breakfast. This is use of at. In is used for months, years, decades, centuries and long periods of time. In 16 years of time. In 1991. In December. अब and on का हम use कैसे करते हैं? On a summer evening. On Christmas day. On Christmas या on Friday. ये हम लोगों ने अभी subject किया था. That is same. Then we come to use prepositions of movement. अभी हम लोगों ने preposition of time किया. Now we are doing prepositions of movement. This is to. I took them to the beach. To the beach. I took them to the beach. मैं उनको beach तक लेके गई. I would like to go to the cinema. मैं सिनेमा जाना चाहती हूँ. I would like to go to the cinema. From. She comes from Japan. She comes from Japan. I ran from home to the gym. This is use of prepositions of movement. Movement means यहाँ से वहाँ जाना. Into. I walked quickly into the room. Get into the car. मैं फटाफट रूम के अंदर गई. या मैं कार के अंदर. Mute yourself. Whose voice is coming? Payal, mute yourself. Please don't unmute. Payal. Then out of. I saw them get out of a taxi. I saw them get out of a taxi. They ran out of the room. वो लोग रूम के बाहर गए. I was late and then on का यूज मैं बता रही हूँ आपको. I was late and got on the first bus. मैं लेट हो गई थी. first bus पक गई. Put the money on the table. पैसों को टेबल पे रखो. Off. Off means नीचे हटाना. The cat jumped off the table. Off means नीचे. He fell off his bike and got hurt. Up. They all went up the hill. Up means it's also on movement. He ran up the stairs. Down. Then rode my bike down the mountain. We went down the stairs. ये हमारा मूवमेंट हो रहा है. नीचे, ऊपर, गिराना, अंदर जाना. This is all prepositions and use of prepositions of movement. Along. We walked quietly along the beach. We walked quietly along the beach. They drove through the tunnel. Through means pass करना. tunnel को pass करते हुए जाना. I ran through the trees. मैं trees के बीच में से भागती हुई गई. Through means बीच में से निकलते हुए जाना. Okay? Across. हम लोगों ने across भी किया था. Jessica swam across the river. उसने river पार करी. I ran across the street. Towards me. My friend walked towards me. He ran towards the street. Towards means उसकी तरफ जाना. Over. He jumped over. We flew over the mountain. हम mountain के ऊपर से flew करते हुए गए. It's bad luck to walk under a ladder. Under means नीचे. Then I went around the corner and saw it. I went around the corner and saw it. past. He walked past us without seeing us. The bullets drove past our building. This was all for prepositions of movement. Then prepositions of movement again a review. एक to हम लोग कब यूज करते हैं? Used. आप किसकी आवाज आ रही है? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself, please. It's very disturbing for others also. I am going to the doctor. I am going to the doctor. Are you going to the party? Towards, movement in the direction of something. He was walking menacingly towards me. Menacingly means डरावनी तरह से चलना. He was sitting with his back towards me. वो मेरी तरफ पीछ करके बैठा था. Through, movement across something. Through, tunnel जैसे हम लोगों ने भी किया था, tunnel से पास होना. The train went through the tunnel. Tunnel के through निकलते हुए जाना. He cut through the gauze. उसने पट्टी काटी. Then we'll do a small exercise. 1 second. Are you able to see the screen, everyone? Is it visible to you? So, one by one, just keep on telling me the answers. Should I zoom it more? My pen is superior dash yours. Anybody? You can anybody can answer? Please unmute yourself now. आकांक्षा अनम्यूट करके बताइए फर्स्ट वाले का आंसर. मॉर्निंग आप बताइए अनम्यूट करके.
मेरा पेन.
You just have to put up the preposition here. एक वर्ड बताना है आपको. आंसर हिंदी में वो नहीं कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है आपको.
My pen is supervised.
Superior, superior. Superior dash yours.
That's yours.
To yours. My pen is superior to yours. मेरा पेन तुमसे ज्यादा superior, मतलब मेरा पेन तुमसे ज्यादा अच्छा है. बोलते हैं ना, मेरा पेन तुमसे ज्यादा अच्छा है. That way. Okay? Whom was she talking dash? Whom was she talking dash? अनम्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को और बताइए आंसर. किसी को भी आता है तो.
Whom was she talking to?
Right. Whom was she talking to? This is the more interesting dash the two. This is the more interesting dash the two.
This is more interesting between the two.
In the two, right. Wisdom consists dash doing the right thing at the right time. Wisdom consists आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को ना. अगर आपको आंसर आता है तो अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड जस्ट गिव मी द आंसर. अदरवाइज विल मूव ऑन. आगे चलते जाएंगे, फिर हम बाद में आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे. अगर नहीं आ रहा है अभी तो विल मूव अहेड. I am no oblivious dash the dangers ahead.
The fourth one is off.
Fourth, wisdom consists of doing the right thing at the right time. Science is opposed dash superstitions. Don't scribble. Don't scribble here. स्क्रिबलिंग नहीं करिए आप प्लीज, जो भी कोई कर रहा है. One second. खोल ही देती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए. Then it would be easier for you. समझ भी जल्दी आएगा because we are running short of time. So where were we? Visible to everyone now? सबको विजिबल है स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am.
So where were we? Where we are here, I think. Science is opposed as superstitions. To superstitions. Science कभी भी superstition में believe नहीं करती ना. Science is opposed to superstitions. And the money lender was not ready to part dash his money. The money lender was not ready to part with his money. To part with his money. है ना? Money के साथ हम लगाएंगे with his money. Then she was mad dash joy and jumped dash the sea by mistake. She was mad with joy and jumped into the sea by mistake. Mad with joy. Mad with joy means she was crazy. She was going crazy. And she jumped into the sea. Into the sea. कभी भी हम नहीं बोलेंगे in the sea. Into the sea by mistake. Okay? I am not satisfied with your behavior. I am not satisfied with your behavior. What is the origin dash quarrel dash two brothers? What is the origin of quarrel between two brothers? Two के बीच में हम between लगाते हैं, okay? Nida was leaning dash a tree dash a book in her hand. Nida was leaning against a tree. Against the tree. इधर हम बोलेंगे against, not by. Against the tree with a book in her hand. With a book in her hand. I looked dash her children when she was dash the hospital. I looked after her children when she was in the hospital. Okay? He married dash money. Married for money. उसने पैसों के लिए शादी की. For means पैसों के लिए. He is not strange to me. वो मेरे लिए अनजान नहीं है. To me. To me. हम इसमें यहाँ नहीं बोलेंगे. She is not strange for me. She is not strange to me. Okay? यहाँ डिफरेंस है. देखिए हमारी prepositions का जो यूज है हमारे सेंटेंस के बीच में जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही करना चाहिए. राजा आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही है मेरी? For some reason or the other, probably आप चेक करिए अपना क्योंकि यहाँ सबको बाकी am I audible to everyone? मेरी आवाज सबको आ रही है? दीक्षा am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है राजा प्लीज अपने एंड पे चेक करिए कुछ प्रॉब्लम शायद आपके एंड पे है. यहाँ पे आवाज सबको बाकी सबको आ रही है. This house has been allotted to Professor Tom. To Professor Tom. I'm sure of my success. I'm sure of my success. He's short of money these days. He's short of money, not with money. हर एक सेंटेंस में preposition according to the sentence use होएगी. Okay? He attained dash high position by dint of hard work. She attained to high position. To high position by dint of hard work. Man can never be satiated with pleasure. Man can never be satiated with pleasure. He fell off his horse. Off his horse. This is not OF. This is OFF. OFF means गिरना. Okay, so this was just a small practice. I hope सबको क्लियर हुआ होगा जो अभी हमने यहाँ पे अभी यहाँ पे शीट करी है सबको क्लियर हुई होगी. राजा is my voice audible to you now? Speak something. आपकी आवाज भी नहीं आ रही उधर से. बोलिए. आई थिंक आपके माइक्रोफोन्स में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि आपकी आवाज भी नहीं आ रही है एंड अगर मेरी भी नहीं जा रही है तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. आप अपने एंड पे चेक करिएगा प्लीज. सो व्हाट एल्स आप लोगों को अभी prepositions वाला चैप्टर क्लियर हो गया? एनी क्वेश्चंस यू वांट टू आस्क रिगार्डिंग दिस? एनीबॉडी? एनी क्वेश्चन?
Ma'am, above मैम अबव और ओवर को कैसे डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं? कई बार प्रॉब्लम होती
अबव
है
एक
मैम, जो सेंटेंसेस होते हैं समझ में नहीं आता अबव लग।
राइट ये क्या होता है, हम लोगों की जो सेंटेंसेस जब हम बोलते हैं उसके हिसाब से हम लोगों को प्रेपोजिशंस यूज करनी होती है. द बुक इज अबव द टेबल, या हम बोलेंगे उसमें द बुक इज ओवर द टेबल. क्या बोलेंगे आप मुझे बताइए, किसने क्वेश्चन किया था मुझे? किया था?
मैम मैंने किया था।
नाम बताइए कौन बोल रहा है?
मैम अक्षता।
हाँ अक्षिता, राइट. हाँ बताइए अक्षिता.
मैम वैसे बुक इज ऑन द टेबल यूज करते हैं हम तो
ठीक है,
हमेशा ही, अगर
ठीक है, राइट.
अब
तो अब हम इसमें अबव को हम इसको इस तरह से बोल सकते हैं, द कार इज ओवर द ब्रिज. द कार इज गोइंग ओवर द ब्रिज. ब्रिज है, अगर एक हमारे रिवर के ऊपर एक ब्रिज है तो उसमें हम बोलेंगे द कार इज गोइंग ओवर द ब्रिज. एंड द जेट इज फ्लाइंग अबव द ब्रिज. जेट जो है हमारा ब्रिज के ऊपर से जा रहा है. जो ओवर है वो बिल्कुल साथ में लगी हुई चीज हो गई ब्रिज के, और अबव जो हो गई वो थोड़ा सा एक डिस्टेंस पे हो गई. ओके, इस तरह से हम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड बाकी जो आप अगर कन्वर्सेशन जब करेंगे, जितना आप उसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना आपके यूज मतलब रूटीन में आ जाएंगी ये बातें. आपको इसमें बोलने में कंफ्यूजन नहीं होगी बिल्कुल भी. ओके, सो माय सजेशन इज जस्ट कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड जस्ट कीप रिवाइजिंग. उसके लिए आपको सिंपल है, जस्ट कीप ऑन रिवाइजिंग माय लेक्चर्स ओनली इफ यू वांट थ्रू यूट्यूब. You can just go and check my YouTube channel by my name only, Swati Podar, and you can just go a review. You can just recap the lectures. उससे आपको ब्रश अप रहेगा जो भी हम लोग क्लास में करते हैं. एट टाइम्स क्या होता है क्लास में ड्यू टू सम कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम या कुछ भी एक रीजन से नहीं हमारा देख पाए, तो you can directly go and check it out on my YouTube channel also. Okay? And everyone has joined my Facebook group, I think. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear with my today's lesson. So we'll end up the class here now and we'll meet up soon. Till then, keep revising, be safe at home, and just keep revising and keep brushing up your knowledge for English conversation. Okay? So
Okay,
I'll end
thank
up
you,
the
ma'am.
class here now. Bye. See you.